Hello everyone. So, ever you have got confused between Azure Secrets, tenant ID, client ID, application ID, and all those stuff. So, let's explain all this in 60 seconds so you never ever get confused. Let's start. So, think of something as a huge company, and that is called as Azure Active Directory. What is Azure Active Directory? It's just an organization. So whenever you create a subscription, this Azure Active Directory automatically gets created, and under this Azure Active Directory we can call as AED, we create something known as an application ID. Inside and I would say an application. When you create this application, you get something known as you get this client secret, you get a tenant ID, and get an application ID. Does this even mean? So tenant ID tells you that hey, I am from this Azure Active Directory. Okay, application ID, or you can say a client ID, tells you the application you are from, and there is something known as client secret, which is just like a password. Okay, so remember, a tenant ID and a client ID never ever gets expired. Only a client secret will get expired because that works as a secret, as a password. Now, why these are very important? Let's say you are in Azure Data Factory, okay, and you want to connect something, a Databricks or maybe a storage account. Now, when you connect storage account and Databricks, okay, you need something, right, to connect between them, okay. And when we talk about connection, something come as linked service, but even linked service will need your authentication. So that is where when comes the client IDs, client secrets, and the tenant ID. So you can give all this information that hey, I'm from this Azure Active Directory. Under this application, I want to use this service, and here's my password for it. I'm from this Azure Active Directory is what your tenant ID tells. I am from this application. Under this application, your client ID will tell, and I want to use this service, your service name will tell, and here is my password for it, the client secret will tell. So I hope everything is being clear right now. There won't be any confusions for it. If you have any confusions, just let me down in the comments. Feel free. I'll be like happy to answer all of these answers. See you tomorrow with another amazing short Azure tutorials. Peace.